Hello, today I'm going to show you how to walk various apps on your Android smartphone. For example, you don't want people looking at your mail while they are using your phone, so you can walk that app. You can also walk various other apps which you don't want other people to access when they use your phone. So what we're going to use is the app called AppWalk right here. This is a free app which you can find in the Google Play Store. It's below 1 MB of size, so you can download it in a few seconds. So we started up the app, and to set it up for the first time, of course you want to set up a unlock password. So for smaller screen phones, don't worry if you do not see any submit button or anything of the sort. Just scroll down like this and you can see the OK button. So I'm just going to set an example password now, 123 for example. Then we have to repeat it, set it again. And here is a security question in case you forget it and all that. So just type in whatever you want and the answer, and this is a hint for a password which will display once the unlock screen shows up. There we go. Once you set it up, you are given here the installed apps. As you can see, you can lock your music, your settings, and many other things. Your contacts, people won't be able to go through them, the dialing and all that. So for example, I'm going to walk Gmail now. There we go, it says locked, and I'm going to safely exit the app like this. And now let us try and access my Gmail. There we go, it displays a password, so that person cannot enter the walked app unless he knows the password, and of course only you know the password. So let's type in the password. There we go, we have access to the Gmail. And finally, of course this app runs on the background, so let us just see how much memory it takes. So let us go to running services. There we go, from 7 to 8 megabytes. You decide whether you want to use this depending on how much memory you need. Mine is not too much, but still, it doesn't bother me much. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, this app is free in the Play Store. It's very small in size and a very good app to walk your apps. That is all. Goodbye.